Até que creia, não? Ah, ok.
Diga licenciado que provas.
E eu vou estar mango com madeira. Dizem aquilo dentro. Ananás, banana. Maracujá? Tomate maracujá. Ralho. Maracujá. Ah, maracujá.
This is the custard apple. Botanical name is cherimoya, and is also known in Mexico, because this fruit is from Central America, South America. It's also known as the black heart, because the fruit normally has the shape of a heart, and inside, as you can see, is white, and then it has the black seeds. And also, when we cut, it's like the banana, it oxidizes with the air, and it becomes, a few hours later, it becomes black. Inside is yellow. This one is the English potatoes. That's one of the sweetest one. And this one is called Brazilian and also red, because as you can see, it's red inside.
Honey cake from Madeira, typical. Banana cake, also very typical from Madeira. And here we have our homemade jams, which are very popular also.
What's special about them?
Yes, because in the old times the sugar was taken out from the cane, sugar cane. Now it's all saccharine. And in those days the old people did a honey cake, and it's now very popular. It's like one of the symbols of Madeira. It's held worldwide, you know.
So does it mean that Madeira people are sweet people?
Yes, we are very sweet people, and we like to receive all foreigners all year long, and we like to give them like sweet mouth, you know. Yes, we are a fundraising institution, and every 3 months the markets here in the region opens up for all institutions to come and sell to tourists and all the people who like sweets, you know.